Imagine stepping aboard your dream cruise, only to have security confiscate your favorite gadget at the terminal, ruining your vacation before it even starts. Today, we're uncovering the 10 surprising items banned on cruise ships and why they could land you in hot water. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some cruise ship secrets that could save you a ton of hassle or even get you kicked off the ship. I'm talking about those hidden rules around banned items that most passengers don't think twice about packing. Stick around as we count down the top 10 things you absolutely cannot bring on board, and I'll explain exactly why they're off limits. All right, now on to the meat of the video, the body. We're doing this countdown style, starting from number 10 and building up to the most critical one at number 1. I'll keep it conversational, like we're chatting over a deck chair cocktail, and throw in some tips to make your next cruise smoother. Number 10, extension cords with surge protectors. These are those multi-plug power strips you might grab to charge all your devices at once. Why are they banned? Cruise ships have strict electrical systems to prevent fires, and surge protectors can overload circuits or hide faulty wiring. Most lines, like Royal Caribbean and Carnival, confiscate them at embarkation. Pro tip, stick to simple USB hubs without surge protection or use the ship's outlets. They're designed for safety. Number 9, candles and incense. Whether it's a scented candle for ambiance or incense for relaxation, these open flame items are a big no-no. The reason? Fire hazards on a ship are catastrophic. Think enclosed spaces and ocean winds. Disney Cruise Line and Norwegian explicitly list them as prohibited because even a small spark could spread quickly. Instead, opt for battery-operated LED candles if you want that cozy vibe in your cabin. Number 8, CBD products, including oils and gummies. Even if they're legal where you live, like in many US states, cruise ships follow international maritime laws and often ban all CBD due to its association with cannabis. Why? Ports in countries with strict drug laws could lead to arrests, and ships don't want the liability. Lines like Princess and Holland America state that any THC or CBD items will be seized, potentially leading to you being denied boarding. Leave them at home to avoid any drama. Number 7, drones. Those cool aerial cameras for capturing epic ocean views? Banned on most ships. The why is twofold: privacy concerns for other passengers and safety risks, like interfering with ship navigation or falling into the sea. Carnival and Royal Caribbean prohibit them entirely, though some allow use in ports with permission. But honestly, it's not worth the hassle. Use your phone for those Insta-worthy shots instead. Number 6, irons and clothing steamers. You want wrinkle-free outfits for formal night, right? But these heating appliances are forbidden because they pose a major fire risk with their hot elements. Cruise ships like MSC and Celebrity provide laundry services or in-cabin irons on request, but bringing your own could get it confiscated. Fun fact, some passengers sneak in wrinkle release sprays as a workaround, totally allowed and effective. Number 5, hard liquor and beer. While some lines let you bring a bottle of wine or champagne, spirits and beer are usually banned to control onboard alcohol sales. Why? Safety and revenue. Intoxicated passengers can lead to accidents, and cruises make big bucks from bars. Norwegian and Disney have strict policies. If caught smuggling, you might face fines or disembarkation. Check your line's allowance. For example, Royal allows 2 bottles of wine per cabin. Number 4, hoverboards and self-balancing scooters. These fun gadgets seem harmless, but they're banned due to their lithium batteries, which are fire hazards in confined ship spaces. Plus, they could cause accidents on crowded decks. Lines like Virgin Voyages and Cunard list them as prohibited following airline rules too. If you need mobility aid, electric wheelchairs are okay with advance notice. Number 3, laser pointers. That little toy for presentations or playing with pets? Outlawed on cruises. The reason is serious. They can distract pilots or bridge crew, posing navigation risks, and have been misused to shine at other ships or planes. Carnival and Princess ban them outright, and if found, they'll be taken away. Stick to apps on your phone for any pointing needs. Number 2, weapons and sharp objects like large knives or scissors. This includes pocket knives over a certain length or anything that could be used aggressively. Why banned? Obvious security reasons, to keep everyone safe in a floating community. Royal Caribbean and Disney scan bags thoroughly. Even nail clippers are okay, but anything bigger gets the boot. Remember, self-defense items like pepper spray are also no-goes. And finally, number 1, illegal drugs, including marijuana. Even if it's legal in your home state or for medical use, cruises operate under federal and international laws where it's strictly prohibited. Why? Massive legal repercussions in foreign ports, potential ship seizures, and health risks on board. All major lines, from Carnival to Viking, have zero-tolerance policies. If caught, you could be arrested, fined, or banned for life. It's just not worth it. Focus on the ship's legit fun instead. Whew, that was our countdown of the 10 banned items on cruise ships. Who knew packing could be such a minefield? But now, you're armed with the knowledge to avoid those awkward security moments. Wrapping things up in the outro, so there you have it, those hidden cruise ship rules on banned items that can make or break your vacation. Remember, always check your specific cruise line's prohibited list before packing, as rules can vary slightly. If you've got a story about something getting confiscated, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cruise tips and secrets. What's your next cruise destination? Let me know, and safe sailing.